So I have a database already opened up here. I have some tables, I have some forms, and I have some modules, but none of that matters for this video because we really just want to make a button that actually moves from one record to the next. So in order for me to do that, first of all, I have to have a form. And keep in mind, this video is designed for people who already have some knowledge about Access, who don't really need an intro to Access, but they just need a little bit of understanding of how to create a button using VBA to navigate to different records. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to one of my forms that I already created, and I'm going to double click on that. Now, this form right here is fine, but it's really not the kind of form I want to add a button to. So while this is selected, if I didn't have a form here, I can go here to Contact, and I can go to Create, and I can go to Form, and it's going to automatically create a form based off of what I have selected. So I'm going to hit Create, and it created a form based off of this that was selected. If I had a form selected, it would have based it off of this. So if I would have went Create, Form, as you can see, it looks a lot different because I already had a form selected. That form just happened to be a form with list there, but I could have done either way, and both ways would work because really, I'm not really concerned with the form per se. I'm concerned with the fact that I'm going to add a button to this form. So either way you choose is fine. I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. And when I have this contact form already automatically created, I'm going to then go to create a button, add a button to this. And the way I do that is inside of the design tab, I can go ahead and select on this button icon here. And then I'm going to click on anywhere down here. This is going to open up and I'm going to cancel that. And it's going to automatically place it in the proper area here. I want to change the name of this, so I'm going to click inside of there. Not the name, but the title of this. So I'm going to hit next. So that's fine. I can put next there. Now, once I do that, I want to go ahead and add the code to this. And the way I'm going to do that is a little bit different than I've shown before. It's a little bit more straightforward. So I'm going to go here to the design view. And then I'm going to go to the button, and I'm going to right click on the button, and I'm going to go to build event, and then code builder. And when that happens, I'm going to get this to pop up here. And now inside of this area that automatically was written for me, I'm going to go ahead and type this here. And you want to copy yours exactly like mine. Do cmd.go-to-record space record colon equals AC next comma offset colon equals 1. After you do that, you want to go ahead and hit Control S to save that. Go ahead and save all of this. And then I'm going to go ahead and close that. Now I can go right back into the design and go right back into the form view. When I do that and I go next, as you can see now, it's going to the next record without having to go down here to go to the next record. You know, just keep on going to the end. This is something, once it gets to the end, this is an error because we didn't code the fact that once it gets to the last record what to do. But that's okay if you want to know how to go to the next record. In the next video, what I'll probably do is talk about how we can avoid this sort of error.